As the world of work evolves, so does the technology that shapes it. Automation and artificial intelligence have been at the forefront of this transformation, transforming the labor market and opening up new horizons for people. In this post, I will look at the future of work and how the adoption of automation and AI can help both businesses and people. Introduction to the future of work. The future of work has been a contentious issue in recent years. Many individuals are concerned about the impact of automation and artificial intelligence on the job market. However, it is important to highlight that the future of employment is not all bleak. In fact, there are many advantages to integrating AI automation into the workplace. One of the primary advantages of automation and AI is that it can help boost efficiency and productivity. Workers may focus on more complex and creative work that requires human input by automating some of the household chores. This can lead to a more satisfying and rewarding work environment for individuals while also benefiting companies through improved production and lower expenses. Understanding automation and artificial intelligence. Automation and artificial intelligence are often used interchangeably, although they are not the same thing. Using technology to do jobs normally performed by humans is referred to as automation. This may range from production to customer service. On the other hand, AI refers to the ability of computers to perform activities that normally need human intelligence, such as problem solving and decision making. Over the past several years, the use of AI automation in the workplace has increased rapidly. According to estimates from the McKinsey Global Institute, technology may replace up to 800 million jobs by 2030. However, this does not mean that these professions will be completely eliminated. Instead, the types of accessible professions will change, with greater emphasis on professions that need creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Benefits of AI automation in the labor market. There are many advantages to adopting AI automation in the workplace. One of the most important advantages is the enhancement of efficiency and production. Workers may focus on more complex and creative work that requires human input by automating some of the household chores. This can lead to a more satisfying and rewarding work environment for individuals while also benefiting companies through improved production and lower expenses. Improved accuracy and consistency is another advantage of AI automation. The machines can do the tasks with great accuracy, which can help eliminate errors and improve quality. This is especially important in companies where accuracy is critical, such as healthcare and banking. Finally, automation and artificial intelligence can help create new business prospects. While automation may replace some professions, employees with the ability to create, deploy, and maintain new technologies will be in high demand. Workers with backgrounds in engineering, computer science, and other related professions may find new employment as a result. The impact of digital transformation on the labor market. Digital transformation has been a major driver of changing the labor market. Due to the increasing use of digital technology, new jobs are being created as well as old jobs are being transformed. As a result, the capabilities needed in the labor market have changed. One of the most important impacts of the digital revolution has been the emergence of remote hiring and the gig economy. Technological advances have made it easier for people to work from anywhere, which has led to an increase in telecommuting. The gig economy, which refers to the tendency of employees to accept short-term contracts or become self-employed, has also grown in popularity. Workers who desire flexibility and independence now have more possibilities. The economy of temporary jobs and remote work. The gig economy and telecommuting have been one of the most significant job market shifts in recent years. These developments have been driven by a variety of causes, including advances in technology, shifting views toward work, and a desire for flexibility and independence. The gig economy has gained popularity among younger employees who value the flexibility of working on their own terms and having more control over their schedules. However, there are drawbacks to the gig economy, such as a lack of benefits and job stability. Remote hiring is also becoming more common, with many organizations providing flexible work schedules to their employees. A variety of reasons have contributed to this, including advances in technology, changing attitudes about work, and the desire for work-life balance. However, there are drawbacks to telecommuting, such as the requirement for excellent communication skills and the potential for isolation. Augmented and virtual reality in the workplace. Both augmented and virtual reality have the potential to revolutionize the workplace. The use of technology to overlay digital information on the physical world is referred to as augmented reality, while virtual reality is the use of technology to create a simulated environment is referred to as virtual reality. These technologies can be used in the workplace for a number of reasons, including training and simulation. A construction worker, for example, might use augmented reality to overlay digital designs onto a physical site, allowing them to see how the project will appear once completed. Virtual reality can also be used to educate employees by allowing them to practice activities in a virtual environment before performing them in the real world. The future of work and its implications. A variety of elements, including automation, artificial intelligence, and digital transformation, are expected to influence the future of employment. While these technologies have the potential to broaden employment prospects, they also pose a number of concerns. The necessity of reskilling and reskilling is one of the most important concerns associated with the future of work. Workers will need to learn new skills as the job market changes in order to stay competitive. This will require a significant investment in education and training. Another issue is job portability. While automation and artificial intelligence have the potential to generate new employment opportunities, they may also displace humans in certain regions. This will require a deliberate effort to assist workers affected by these developments. Preparing for the future of work, upskilling and reskilling. Preparing for a career in the future will require a significant investment in education and training. Workers will need to learn new skills to be competitive in the labor market. This will require a shift in the delivery of education and training with a stronger focus on lifelong learning. Workers in industries likely to be affected by AI automation will need to reskill and hone skills in particular. Employers, governments, and educational institutions will need to work together to provide people with the skills they need to succeed in the future of work. Potential challenges and ethical considerations. While the future of employment offers many benefits, it also brings with it many obstacles and ethical concerns. One of the most important problems is job portability. While automation and artificial intelligence have the potential to generate new employment opportunities, they may also displace humans in certain regions. Another issue is the possibility of bias and discrimination. The data used to train AI systems is only as good as the data used to train them. If the data is skewed, the results may be skewed as well. This is particularly critical in areas such as healthcare and finance, where skewed results can have catastrophic repercussions. Conclusion. A variety of elements, including automation, artificial intelligence, and digital transformation, are expected to influence the future of employment. While these technologies have the potential to broaden employment prospects, they also pose a number of concerns. Preparing for the future of work will require significant investment in education and training, with a focus on upskilling and reskilling. It will also need a concerted effort to help workers affected by these changes. We can build a more efficient, productive, and joyful future of work by embracing automation and